Let me know which questions.
Okay. This one is which one? Quadratic functions.
Yeah.
This
File
was
number
question. Yeah. This was question 1, 2, 4, and 12.
1, 2, 4, and 12. Find the value of k for which the current this passes through point this. So we need to know x is 4 and y is minus 7. Minus 7 equals 4 square 16, 2 is a 32. Minus 12 minus 7 minus 32 plus 12 is equals to k. K is equals to minus 27. Meets the x-axis at only one point. I'm changing this into completing square form. Y is equals to 2x square minus 3x plus k. One approach could be I do that and take the value of k equal to 0, add those value to bring it up to 0, and the other could be making it a tangent. If the graph would intersect y is equal to 0, I'll have it meet the x-axis at one point, like this would be the case. So if I can just do this, equate both of them, and b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c equals to 0. That's 9 minus 8k is equals to 0. 9 is equals to 8k, k is equals to 9 by 8. So when k is 9 by 8, the graph will touch the x-axis at one point. That will be line y is equals to 0. Number 2, the line y is equals to kx minus 5 where k is positive constant is tangent to this at a. First of all, if this is tangent to it, it is touching that at one point. So we substitute y in y. Kx minus 5 is equals to x square plus 4x. We rearrange x square plus 4x minus kx plus 5 equal to 0. X square plus 4 minus k into x plus 5 equal to 0. Now the condition is it was tangent. So we apply b square minus 4ac equal to 0. 4 minus k square minus 4a and c. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 20 is equals to 0. A square minus 8k minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, for k I'm using quadratic formula. minus 8 plus minus square root 8 square minus 4 into a into c over 2a using calculator. I'm getting 4 plus 2 square root 5 and with the negative sign I'm getting 4 minus 2 square root 5 and we needed exact value of k, so this is it, where k is positive constant. So this one's rejected. K is equals to 4 plus 2 square root 5. Then number 4. Find the value of k for which the line and this do not intersect. So do not intersect, the case is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Ax minus 3 is equals to 2x square plus 3x plus k. Rearranging 2x square plus 3x minus kx plus k plus 3 is equals to 0. 2x square 3 minus kx k plus 3. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. 3 minus k whole squared minus 4, a is 2 and c is a plus 3 greater than 0. A square plus b square minus 2ab minus 8k minus 24 greater than 0. And this was squared. 8 6 14, 24 and 9, the difference is 15. 15 and 1, k square minus 15k plus k minus 15 greater than 0. Adding these two, minus 14 multiplying minus 15. K common, k minus 15 plus 1 common, k minus 15. K plus 1 greater than 0. K minus 15 is greater than 0. So k is greater than 15 and k is greater than minus 1. We need to check. So I'm checking it from this simplified form. Coefficient of x square is positive. Have one value 15, the other minus 1, and the condition is greater than 0. So one shaded area is more than 15 and one is less than minus 1. So k is less than negative 1 and k is greater than 15. Find the values of k. This is the final answer. And then 12.
Yep, 12.
Find the set of values of k for which this equation has no real roots. No real roots. Case is again this, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Kx square plus 3x minus 4 plus k is equals to 0. This is already arranged. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. 3 square minus 4a is k and c is k minus 4 is less than 0. 9 4k minus 4k square plus 16k. I'm rearranging, taking it to right hand side. 4k square minus 16k minus 9 is greater than 0. 4 9 times is 36 and 18 and 2. 4k square minus 18k plus 2k minus 9 is greater than 0. 2k, 2k minus 9 plus 1, 2k minus 9. 2k plus 1, 2k minus 9, k, 2k plus 1 greater than 0, greater than minus 1, minus 1 by 2. 2k minus 9 greater than 0, greater than 9, is greater than 9 by 2. Simplified form, positive, this is 9 by 2, this is negative 1 by 2, and the condition says greater than 0. So this becomes k is less than minus 1 by 2, or k is greater than 9 by 2. Done. Next sheet.
Yep, all is clear. And this one is which one? Equations, inequalities, and graphs. And that's question 2, question 10b, and 9 2i. So 9 2.
Question 2, 10b and 9. First part. Okay.
No, second part.
Okay. Find the positive solution of the equation this, giving your answer in this form where a and b are fractions in their simplest form. Do not use calculator. Okay. So we have x square plus x and this. So I'll go for quadratic formula. Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. 4 minus 2, this is b. 4 minus 2 square root 7 plus minus square root 4 minus 2 square root 7 whole square minus 4. A is 5 plus 4 square root 7 and c is minus 1 over 2, 5 plus 4 square root 7. Okay. Unless I simplify the numerator, I'm not changing the denominator, not multiplying it. Maybe something comes out and cancels out with 2. So this is minus 4 plus 2 square root 7 plus minus. Now that would be a square plus b square. 2 square is 4. 4 into 7 is 28 minus 2ab. 4 to the 8 to the 16 square root 7. This is plus. So 4 5s are 20 and 4 4s are 16 square root 7. Denominator as it is. 4 plus 2 square root 7 plus minus. Now Negative positive cancels out. I'm left with 16, 20. 16 plus 20 plus 28 is 64. Square root 64 over 2. 5 plus 4 square root 7. So that's minus 4 plus 2 square root 7 plus minus 8 over 2. 5 plus 4 square root 7. Okay. So when we do plus 8, I'm left with 4 plus 2 square root 7 over 2 into 5 plus 4 square root 7. And when we do minus 8, that's minus 12 plus 2 square root 7 over 5 plus 4 square root 7. Okay. And I had to give answer in this form. I'm selecting the first one first and then the other one. So if I just take out 2 common in numerator, I would be able to cancel out the 2 in denominator. So that's just 2 plus square root 7 over 5 plus 4 square root 7. And I'm going for rationalizing. 5 minus 4 square root 7 over 5 minus 4 square root 7. 2 5 is 10 minus 8 root 7 plus 5 root 7 minus 4 into 7 is 28. Over a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. 16 into 7 is 112. Numerator 10 minus 28 is minus 18 minus 3 root 7 divided by 25 minus 112 is negative 87. So this is 87, 18 over 87 plus 3 root 7 over 87. And 18 and 87 simplifies to 6 by 29 plus 87 and 3 is again 29 root 7 over 29. This is the first answer. And rationalizing the second one. Again, taking out common, 2 in the first one is minus 6 plus root 7. 2 cancels out with denominator. 5 plus 4 root 7. 5 minus 4 root 7. 5 minus 4 root 7. 6 5 is a 30 plus 6 6 4. 24. 24 into 7 is 168. Did this into this. Oh, keeping it in order. 6 4 is a minus 2 and plus 24 root 7. Then this is plus 5 root 7. And this is minus 4. 4 7s are 28. So minus 28. Over a square is 25. And 4 root 7 we just did it. That was 112. 30 and 28 is negative 58. Plus 29 root 7 divided by negative 87, negative 87. 58 divided by 87 is 2 by 3. And 29 divided by 87 is 1 by 3. So the answer in the form a plus b root 7. Total. First one is 6 by 29 plus 1 by 29 root 7. Second is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 root 7. A plus b root 7. And then we had 9 second part. Find the value of k for which this is equal to this has exactly two solutions. On the axis below, sketch the graph of this showing the coordinates of points where the graph meets the axis. Okay. I just wish to draw this correctly to have a better idea of the approach of question. X minus 9 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Where minus 9 by 2x plus 9 by 4 square minus 9 by 4 squared minus 5 by 2. So this is x minus 9 by 4 whole square. And 9 times is 81 by 4 times is 16. Multiply with 2 is 8. And minus 5. 81 divided by 8. And 5 is 121 by 8. Smiley face, and y is minus this. 9 by 2, comma negative 121 by 8. And at x0, I have 9 divided by 4 squared into 2 minus 121 by 8. Negative y-intercept is minus 5. Find the values of k for which this has exactly two solutions. See, the equation is already done. If I say 2 minus 9x minus 5 is already drawn. If I say that equal to k, if I say k is equal to negative 121 by 8, that would be a tangent at this point, at the lowest point. That's a little strange why we are, oh, modulus, modulus, modulus. It's two, it's straight line at this point, y is equal to k, and any value more than this would give two intersections at the given point. But the question is modulus. So if we take the mod, we're going to flip this up. And now there are two values at this intersection point, which is clearly y is equals to 0. And at this point and above that, this point and above that. So we already had this as minus 121 by 8. So when you just flip it, it goes at 121 by 8. So at this point, we are having three intersections. So it needs to be y is greater than or make it k. K is greater than, not equal to, k is greater than 121 by 8. These are the two answers where you will get two intersections. Because you are getting this after mod. curve down, bend, curve down. Getting the point at this value, this is only two intersections, but at this value, 121 by 8, the
Oh,
horizontal
there's
line is
three
between
there,
the
and it goes
points.
as it goes up. There's only two, right,
Yeah,
above this point. Okay.
yes. So when it is more than 121 by 8, that is only 2, and at a is equal to 0 at on the x-axis, that's 2.
So this would be only the working we need, right, for 3 marks.
Yeah, because everything is being done in part 1.
Okay.
So we just have to go through the flip. And I just noticed I was like doing this completing square and forgot that was already modulus. So yeah, just reading it from the graph.
Okay.
Question 2. B. Write down the value of x such that f of x is less than 0. So that's f of x, and this is the region where it is less than 0. And it is less than 0 when value of x is more than -5 and less than -1. When the values are between these two, graph is less than 0. Is this clear?
Sort of.
See, if I just change the values of x, let's say at 0.5, is f of x negative or positive?
It's going to be positive.
Positive. At 0.9, positive. At 1.2,
Only
positive.
after 2, it's negative.
1.8, positive. At 2, 0. And after 2, this is negative again. So write down the values of x such that f of x is less than 0. So for these value, at 5 it is 0, before 5 it is again positive, after 5 0 or negative, 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 negative till this point. So where is it negative? It is negative below the x-axis, and it is below x-axis for values between 5 and -1 and after 2, and x is greater than 2. For these values, this is less than 0, less than 0, less than 0.
But where does it, like, it says write down the values of x. So write down values of x have to be less than 0.
The values of x could be anything. See, if I just draw,
Oh, it says f of x less than 0. Okay.
if I say this is 3
Yeah.
and this is 9, so I'll say 3 is less than x is less than 9, where it is negative. So x could be anything, f of x has to be negative.
Okay.